What is going on, guys? We're in the middle of quarantine. Steven showed up. He brought his bug deflector. Corey's here. We're trying not to lose our mind during this quarantine. So today we're installing a bug deflector on Steven's 2016 Ford F-150. All right, Steven, tell everybody at home what you brought.
All right, so whenever I bought this truck, we'll go up to the front of the truck here and look at it. It had a bug deflector on it. I'm not a big fan of bug deflectors, and the one that was on it actually came loose and wore some spots in my paint here. So I got like 3 or 4 little spots where the paint's rubbed.
Oh, yeah.
So I decided to go with a flush mount, color matched bug guard that'll cover all this up. Now these things do get kind of bad rap. Like the reviews on Amazon was like a 2-star. So I figured, why not try it? I really want to cover these up. Might as well try it and see what good it is. See if it's any good at all.
Yeah. Also, guys, if you watched the last video, Steven decided to put his emblem on. He decided on the bottom right corner here. So I think that looks really good. Get a shot of that real quick. A couple of y'all said leave it off. A couple of y'all said leave it or put it back on. So I think it turned out really nice.
Yep. So let's. I'm gonna have to prep the surface because this flush mount is held on with double-sided tape. So I think that's the big one of the big issues with everybody's reviews was that it wouldn't stick and that it'd come off going down the road. I think most of that's just prep. So we're gonna have to get all these bugs off where I drove an hour to get to Brian's and clean it up, and then we'll get this thing stuck on there. All right, so here's the product. If you can see the color there, it looks pretty spot on for color matched.
Yeah.
And then on the back side, it actually has, right here's all the double-sided tape. So you'll have to peel all that red off and get it stuck on once you get the hood cleaned. And then with this comes a little instructions, and it comes with a couple alcohol wipes here, surface prep wipes. But before we use these, I want to go ahead and get the bugs off and get the hood clean. And then we'll wipe it down with this stuff before we actually apply the bug guard.
Yeah, here's some spots where that other bug guard bounced around, did some damage to the paint.
All right, we got that off. Let's see. We got a towelette surface prep. Which one does it say use first? Let's go ahead and read the instructions. Which set of instructions do you want? English, Spanish,
Spanish.
Chinese, Japanese?
We want it all. How about they got handy language on there for hairbrush lovers?
Well, it doesn't even tell you which one. It just says stick the sucker on there. Useless. Let's do the prep. Oh yeah, brother.
How you gonna wash all the freedom off of it like that?
So. Yeah, your side lined up. Oh, she's stuck, so.
Yeah. That's line up anyway.
I'm actually really impressed with the color match.
Yeah, it looks really good.
I honestly thought the color was going to be a little off.
Lined up pretty good too.
Almost.
That's crazy
Literally
because if
perfect,
you
man.
back up,
You can't even tell it.
no, like from right here, you can't tell nothing's on there. That's awesome.
I thought it was black. Like that is. You can't get no closer than that.
No. I mean, as long as it holds up for a little while, the Amazon reviews appear to be wrong so far. That's pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Alright guys, sorry this video is kind of short, but this was a quick one. It only took us about 10 minutes. The prep work took longer than it actually did putting it on. So, Steven, it looks really good. At least it's hiding all those marks now that the old bug deflector left. Well guys, we appreciate you all watching. You all stay safe at home. Make sure you binge watch all my old videos. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn on the bell for all the notifications. I'm going to be uploading quite a bit in the next couple weeks. We appreciate you all. Until next time.